let's take a look at multi-index data frame and its index hierarchy. So for that I need to create few lists and create few list of tuple pairs. So first I'll create a list called outside. Inside so now I'm going to write a statement list bracket zip outside inside. So if I run this, then you can see that so if I run this particular variable, then you can see that I get a pair of the above two lists. I get a pair of these two lists. So now let me create one more. Now I'll override this variable by a inbuilt function of pandas. Okay, so now if I run this variable, then you can see that it creates a multi-index of the above of this particular pair of tuples. So now let me create a data frame which is a multi-index data frame of 6 rows and 2 columns. It consists of 6 rows and 2 columns. The data is the higher index variable and it consists of 2 columns, let's say A and B. Sorry guys, I forgot to import the random from numpy. So now if I run this, so now you can see here I've created a data frame. Here it consists of 2 index, which is G1 and G2, and inside it has 1 2 3 index, 1 2 3 index, both for G1 and G2 index. So now let us see how we can index a multi-index, how we can index multi-level index of a data frame. So let's say if I want just the G1 elements from the G1 index, I can do this. To get elements from the G1 index, but I want the index from the column 1. Let's say I want this value only, then I need to specify this. So yeah, I receive a series of G1 index, and from G1 inside G1 index I get the value from row 1 as a series here. So now let's say I want G2 values from G2 index from index 2 inside G2, and I want only the value of the B column. So let's say I want this G2 index from the second row. I want the value from the column B. So let's say I want value minus 0.3844. If I do this, I get this particular value. So this is how we can index from a multi-level data frame.